Hey friends, if you wish to change the ownership of a Google Doc, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Click on share at the top right corner. Select gaming errors guide at the gmail.com. Whatever the email ID is, I'm sending it to my other email ID. So click on send. Okay, it doesn't send an invitation to transfer ownership. So click on share once again. Click on editor and then select transfer ownership. Click on send invitation. You'll receive the invitation on the email ID, or the recipient will receive this invitation. Click on that and then you can select this option here to respond, and then you will become the owner. Okay, then you will become the owner. To become the owner, you will have to accept this invitation. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.